And we have that mummy hitting our character, which is ironclad. So we need some metal sounds. We have that mummy going to heaven or Valhalla. Okay, let's just do a couple of metal hits here, just for that wilderness sequence, fight sequence. What we're gonna do now is create a couple of sound effects for the action we saw in our visuals. And to do that, we're gonna use a couple of everyday objects that you can pretty much find in every household. Let's just have a look. I just taken a picture seconds ago. I'm gonna use a couple of pots, metal cover, one of those jelly things that you use when you have a headache or you want to put some cold compress on your bruise. That's the blue stuff. Or there is a carrot. We're gonna use the carrot. We're going to use a bit of a plastic. That's a top from 7-Eleven Slurpee. Something metal like spoon, knife, or a fork. I have a small knife for that. Wooden spoon, and that's pretty much all we need right now. Okay, this is the funny part. Right here I'm holding a pot. It's heavy as something I would imagine the armor of our main character would be made of. That's right. So how about we just start from recording a couple of his yells while he's wearing a helmet. Let's do it. I'm putting my face literally into that pot and I'm screaming. Ha! 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 Okay, what we doing now, guys? I'm holding to the same pot. I'm standing about 20 centimeters from a mic and I'm using a wooden spoon. Let's give our character a few hits. I'm just taking the metal cover, the metal pot cover, and my metal knife. Let's do some scraping. That's the sword. Okay, now it's wooden spoon against the cover. That's our shield. What I'm doing now is the sound of a plastic cover against the metal veggie steaming top. All right. So the attack is much gentler than when I was using a spoon or knife. And another thing is our blue jelly. Let's punch it with our fist. Not too hard. We don't want that blue stuff all over our computer. Okay, what I'm doing now, I'm just punching the ice gel with a carrot. Just imagine we're punching a mummy. I'm sure we're going to use it. And we have a carrot. So let's crunch it. Sound of me biting the carrot is the sound of broken bones. Okay, be back soon. Okay, let's have a listen.